This is a what's in the box video for 7th Continent, the first expansion, first big expansion. What goes up must come down. And I'm opening this for the first time like you guys are seeing, so both be amazed. I'll also let you know this is a spoiler-free review. I'm only going to show you what you'll see when you open the box to, for the first time. So here's a Dear Backer, Curse Victim, a letter. Contents and instructions. Not much. I mean, at least this, the one nice thing about 7th Continent, the system's pretty simple. Punch boards for the character tokens, the hot air balloon, the cool looking raft, and the character standees. Action deck, the awesome journal. This is really cool. And let's see what else we have. We have the bases for, over here it's the hot air balloon, and over here it's the raft. We have some sort of standees for those standees for the characters. Some expansions or some dividers, I guess, for additional cards. So a hot air balloon top, the little minis for the characters, and just some cards. I'm not going to show you the backs of them, but just a lot of cards here to add on. So there you have it. That is a look at the 7th Continent expansion, or the big box expansion, I guess. Probably the only big box expansion for 7th Continent, at least at this time. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe.